Okay, here guys. So, I've been messing around with this in my bed forever, so this is why this video starts with the bed. At least this portion of it. I might edit it and change it. But, here we go. So this is what we're working on right now. Is this aftermarket stereo from Amazon. I think it's $60 or $70 or something like that. A really nice looking stereo. Has a lot of features and everything. I'll get the model number or whatever down in the description, but basically it operates like an Android. The issues I was having with it, and the reason why I'm so compelled to make this video, is there's no mounting kits correct for it as far as US standards go and US measurements and whatnot. This is gonna go into a 2005 F350, and it's doubled in, of course, but with these aftermarket China ones from Amazon, they aren't far enough back to properly put your screws in to the side of the stereo. So I originally got a Scoche, S-C-O-C-H-E, I think is how it's spelled, cage for mounting, and it wouldn't mount no matter what I tried. So I went to Best Buy and asked them, and then they gave me this, or sold me this Metra one, Metra, whatever, and it fits way better. It's got more mounting spots, and it actually fits the stereo correctly. I got some sticky tape there, but so here's what I had to do, and this is a temporary until I figure out a better solution, but I wanted to get the stereo in there. So I've got it, just this metal bracket is just double-sided taped to the side of the stereo, because the hole, as you can see, in order to line up with the plastic, the hole has to be covered. So without all kinds of modifications, this is the quick and easiest way. I'm not sure how long that double-sided tape's gonna hold, but if you find yourself in the same jam, this will work for now. See, that side's loose, it looks like, and this side is still completely tight to it. Alright, so this video is going to be chopped up like crazy, because I'm not going to show you the whole taking the stereo out, because I already had part of it already done. But one little tip I'll give you is all of these panel pieces for lighting and stuff like that. You put your vehicle, the key on, engine off position, put your shifter all the way down, and put your steering wheel all the way down with your adjuster, and that way you can get your dash out. Once you pop your dash free, the easiest way is to get these guys out. Easier than unplugging all of these is to get this out first. So on the underside of all of them, they have these little push clips. So you push those, reach in, push those clips up, and then pull this out, and then you can work on it. You know, same for that, is the same for your cigarette lighter. This one isn't as easy, so that one you have to reach in and get it out, but you can reach in because the stereo is gone, so there's a pretty big gap there. And then same with this side. Push this guy out. I think, yeah, this one you can even push out too, all by itself, to get behind it. This is the only one that doesn't come out. So I gotta get the stereo here that we just got done mounting. We're gonna get that slapped in there, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. Oh, also I put the GPS for it up there. Didn't even have to cut it or anything. So you slide it down, pull that, pop that little service panel, whatever you want to call it, out. Same as that was over there. Pop it out, and then you just slide the cord down, and it ends up popping through here. And then I just pulled it out. So that's where my GPS antenna is going to be. Okay, guys. So I got it back in. Got the dash all pushed back in. It looks like one spot. It's got a little bit sticking out, a little bit. But after all I've been dealing with this, I'm not even going to worry about it. It is in there and it plays and it looks alright. So, this is what I was showing you about your wire still sticking out, so that way you can, go this far away, connect all of your stuff, and then push it back in. So that way you don't have to worry about it being all tight. But stereo's all in. I've done a couple things already with the settings, so some of the stuff has already been set, but like the CD player, whatever, not CD player, but the deck, you can do your navigation, audio, video, all kinds of stuff. Stuff I'm not going to use, but it's there. So see if it can find us. Hey, it did. Look at that. That's awesome. That is sweet. Even change it to like actual. It's not ready for that yet. Oh wait, no, that's just a map. That's satellite. This is satellite. Right on. So there's that. A lot of different settings in this thing. A lot of stuff to mess with. It's got two, in the back of the stereo it had two USBs. And I don't know what the difference is, but I just hooked this one up. I don't know if this is to send video into it, like with a memory stick, or if it's just for charging a phone, or what. I will update this again once I figure it out. But let's see, 101.3. Anyway, I have to figure out how to do it. But there's that, and this one comes with that ready to do like a backup camera or whatever. I don't have the backup camera, so I haven't set that up yet. But it is supposed to have all that. I'm guessing the audio video in, I guess. And then, subwoofers, all that other stuff that I don't have. It's supposed to do Miracast too, which my phone does, so I had to figure that out. But if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And till the next one, thank you.